Hi, this is Jaya. In this video, we shall see about science and human life, that is, Ariviyalu Manida Vaalvu. Science has become an essential in everyday life. That is, without science, we cannot say we are able to live or pass each and every day. From the time man started using his sixth sense itself, science has become part and parcel of our everyday life. Earlier, we find that there was a little bit of usage of science in everyday life, but now, without science, there is no life. And science has made our life very easy, and without it, it is very difficult to even imagine about our life. Now, how far has science been connected with our life? For that, we have to think about our ancient people. Now, the word science means understanding something. And this word science is taken from the Latin language. The word is scientia. And according to the research, we find that to learn about nature, about all living things, about the world, and about the society, that learning is known as science. And this science explains how something is happening, why it is happening, and who brought about those happenings. All these will come under proper classification, and a good explanation will be given for all the happenings. And this science has been classified into three groups. One is natural science, second is social science, and third is formal science, that is Mureisar Ariviyala. And in natural science, we will study about the world and the universe and everything in that. And in social science, we will study about the people and the different societies. And in formal science, we will study about logic and mathematical applications. And in this world, human beings are going towards science. But we do not know when this search or usage of science actually started. Earlier, man used to hunt animals, and that is the way he got his food. But later on, when he started cutting these dead animals for food, that time itself he started using his scientific knowledge. And this slowly developed into rubbing two stones together and creating fire. And the spark which started at that time has now become into a great monster named science, because that science, that technology which our ancient people used, has now developed to this extent. From ancient time to 19th century, science was only looked at as a philosophy. And in Western countries, they said this is natural philosophy, that is இயற்கை மெய்யியல். And today, about astronomy, medicine, and physics, all these research are being done a lot. And we understand that the world is made out of materials. And in India, we call these materials as பூதங்கள். And in Greek, we call them as sevial tanimangal. Tanimangal means materials. And what do they say in the Western countries is, they say that the world is made out of water, land, fire, and air. These are the four materials which are the constituents of the world. But in Tamil, we add one more along with this four and say that even sky is one of the materials which are included in the constituents of the world. And later on, what Tamil people said was accepted by the whole world. Until 19th century, science was only talking about natural science. But later on, it was classified as biology, chemistry, physics, and even about what logical applications you're going to apply for all these. And for this, we have to see that how each and every department is developing, and how that development has helped in our everyday life, and how much of understanding we have about all this, and how ancient Tamil people had an understanding about this science. About all this we will see in our next videos. About this, if you have anything more to contribute, please write it in the comment box. Like the video, share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and support. Thank you.